Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cop Tool. I'm Zach. Today with me is Derek from Southwire. Derek, thanks for coming in today.
Glad to be here.
Now, what do we have here on display?
So we got a couple new products here. These are the XTS line of cable stripping and termination tools. And basically what these are going to do is bridge a gap from hand strippers, which most guys are familiar with. And these tools are going to do the same type of function, which is strip back and terminate cable on your larger diameter cables, such as this one that I have in my hands here today.
Okay, can you show me how this works?
Sure, no problem. So I'll start here with the baby tool. This is our XTS02. And this tool here is going to do your copper or aluminum cable. It'll do XHHW or THHN, which are your kind of 600 volt installations, most common.
Okay.
The cool thing about this is this will self-size. So it's kind of like a cigar cutter. Basically, you're going to pull back the trigger, and you're going to take the cable right here, and this will do your 1/0 through number 8 sizes. And basically, you just take the cable and line it up right there, where you see the little end there. So there's a little sight window with an enclosed blade. So the blade's out of the way of the hands of the user. And to use this, all you're going to do is just hold the cable, and you're just going to turn the tool, and it just slowly works its way down. And what it's doing is it's basically lifting the jacket off the conductor.
Okay.
So there's no scoring.
Okay.
So an electrical inspector, if he's looking, will be looking for scoring on the conductor, which you would usually get from a straight blade knife.
Okay.
You're not going to have any of that with this tool, and you can keep going as fast as you want or as long as you want. To stop it, all you're going to do is take your hand, the opposite hand that you're using the tool with, stop it behind it, bump it, and what that's going to do is create a nice circular motion, and then you just pull it off. And so what you've got there is a clean strip back of the conductor. It's got a really nice rounded edge, so it can go really nice into a termination or a lug, for example. It's really easy to use, it's repeatable, it's fast, and it's really, really safe.
Okay.
So that's our little XTS02.
Okay. So what about this guy?
So yeah, no problem. I'll show you how this one works. So this is the XTS01, and this is the big brother to the XTS02.
Okay.
Now the XTS02 is really nice in that it self-sizes. With this tool, there's a few moving pieces, so you do actually have as the user actually have to do some of the sizing for itself. So the first part is on the top, there's a depth stop for your termination. And what this is going to do is basically allow you to do repeatable lugs. And so right now it's set for 2 inches. If I wanted to open it up for 2.5, I can do like so and set it like that. Then when using the tool, you do have to take the wire, insert it, line it up with the edge of the blade, and then tighten down the little V-notch onto it, but leave it a little bit loose so that you can turn it around.
Okay.
The blade itself, then you just open it up until it sets itself. Right there it set itself, and then all you're going to do is just simply twist this around, and what this is going to do is lift the jacket off the conductor, and you can keep going as long as you want until it hits this nice little termination stop, or depth stop, excuse me. And what that's going to do is just round it off and eject it off. Now, the nice part about this is if you're in the field doing work, you're not going to just have one wire. So in most cases, you're going to have at least 4, depending on what you're doing. And so with this one, once you've set the depth once, you can just slide it on. Don't have to play with anything. And keep going. So it's really fast, clean, and repeatable. Again, there's no chance for a knife injury, no chance for any cut points. It's going to give you no scoring or whatnot, so it's a really nice tool for the electrical contractor.
Okay. So obviously a safer method than the old knife method.
Absolutely.
And are these products available on the market today, and how affordable are they?
Yes, they're readily available, and they're really affordable. List price on this tool is about $270.
Okay.
The smaller one right here, list price is about $129, and we do sell these in a kit so that you can get both of them. And I think that one is about $400 for the kit, or give or take a few dollars.
Of course, that's only half the story. For the full story, visit us at coptool.com. Derek, thanks so much for joining us today. We appreciate your time.
Appreciate it. Thank you for having me.
All right. We'll see you again, folks.